Watch out, it kicks up a lot of dust here.
Yeah.
May or may not be from us. We actually don't know.
That is not very good.
Yeah, not turning like the quad.
No.
There's a cat, Fluffy.
Okay.
Where?
From the factory, it's got like 7.5 inches of clearance. So we may bottom out some spots. Feel like you're on safari? Might be able to go through this
But I can't.
super tight spot right there, but
Not me again.
No, that will poke all of us. Those bushes.
Are we going all the way around?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
I
baby.
thought we were going in the quad track.
oh, we're going up this way.
Both feet. Hold on. Out there. Out.
You get poked.
Thank you.
It's really bumping. No, that's the floor. No, no. The trees are trying to give me too.
This thing rips.
And the seatbelts keep yanking me.
Yeah.
It is very sensitive.
Yeah.
Locks.
Locking, yeah.
It locks like every second. We're in the truck so you can fly forward and it won't lock.